What's up, everybody? I got the Arrma Limitless out here. I'm really out here just testing out this new camera. I got the Insta360. I just want to see, what it's like. But show that it's connected. We'll hit track, start. We'll try to get a little quick, easy pass in, nothing crazy. I really just want to test the camera out. It's a 360 camera, so you can look around the video. You can see what I'm doing. You can look in the sky. I just want to test it out. So it might not be a crazy speed run, really. I'm pulling off to the side a little bit. I got a car coming down there and down there. On this camera, you can look around. You can move. If you're on the phone, just move your phone left to right. If you're on a computer, you can just grab the mouse, slide the screen, and you can look all around, see what I'm doing. You can see what the car doing. You see the area I'm in. And I just wanted to try this out, so that's all. I'm just gonna get a little quick speed run. See how this works. Let's see if I can get this thing running. Look clear, look straight. That was cool. That's all I wanted. Let's see if I can get it back. Got it back. There it go. I know it didn't go that fast, but I really didn't want to go that fast. Stop. Read. 166. It's 166. So basically I'm about just testing out the camera, really trying to see if I'm gonna like it or not. I know I like the little 3D thing. I seen a video and I was able to move the thing. I thought that was raw, but I knew I needed a 3D camera to do it, so I went and bought one. And now I'm just out testing it. This is the Arrma Limitless. Just a little quick test, easy pass. Just to test out the camera. It's the Insta360 X3 camera. That's the one I'm testing out. Well, thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like this little 360 thing, let me know in the comments. Because, trying to see if I like it too. I'm out.